So what I'm going to talk about is how to keep your content lively. The most important one I'll start with is always keep it relevant to the reader, because as soon as you stray from the topic even slightly, they're disinterested, disengaged, reading a competitor's content, and it's game over. The next one is find your voice, and this is where you can have a bit of fun in your writing, but don't be afraid to get animated, get excited, get enthusiastic about it, because how can you expect your reader to be enthusiastic if you're not excited in the content? The next one is subheadings. Yeah, come up with something crafty, something witty, something snappy, but know how to use them right, because effective subheading use can really shape the content well, and it can really set a nice tempo and a nice pace, and it'll just stop your reader from suffering from burnout. The last one, should have started with it but I'll end with it, is always put your key point towards the top of the page. All this does is basically gives your reader, it tells them what they're going to get themselves into, they know what they're reading, they can enjoy the content. Otherwise they're reading it and thinking, am I in the right place? They become disengaged and they go elsewhere. So yeah, they're my 4 points for keeping your content lively.